everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Harbor Freight. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to sign up or set up your Harbor Freight account, then the process is quite simple. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in www.harborfreight.com and press enter on your keyboard in order to end up in the official web page. To sign up for a new account, click on the My Account button at the top left and click on Create Account from the expanded menu. Fill in the boxes appearing right on the left hand side of the screen where it says Create an Account. Start off by typing in your first name in the first text box and type in your last name on the next. Enter a valid email address for yourself in the email address text box and make sure to enter the email you have an access to. After filling in your email address, head over to the password field and type in a password for yourself. Make sure to create a password which is at least 8 characters long. Remember that while creating a password, it must also contain one special character, one number, one uppercase and one lowercase letter. There must be no spaces in your password. Once you meet the criteria, you'll be able to create a password. On the next field, confirm the new password by retyping it again. Once the password matches, go to the next field and type in your phone number. Finally, click on Create Account button in red. You'll find yourself in the My Orders page for Harbor Freight soon after you do that, which means you've successfully signed up for Harbor Freight. That is how you can easily sign up or create a new account for Harbor Freight. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.